Hey everyone, today we are going to get into the G major 1 octave scale. Here we go, setting up the right hand in a G position, and we are going to start with half notes. Now this is going to follow the exact same format, exact same fingering as the C major scale. The only difference is this F sharp here that we have at the top of the scale. Okay, so your second to last note, we need to pop that fourth finger up to the sharp all throughout. Here we go with quarter notes. Cross the right hand, grab the F sharp, right back down, cross the third finger right back to B, and we've landed. Here we go, last time, 8 notes. Good work. Here's the left hand. Now here again, we're gonna go all the way through all of the fingers first, cross the 3 to E, and then we need the F sharp with the second finger for the left hand. Then on the way back down, really watch out here. We're gonna cross after the E back to the thumb on D. And then we finish out the scale. Cool? Here we go with quarter notes. Same thing. Cross 3 to E. Make sure we just go to the third finger, not the fourth finger. Cross that thumb to D. Awesome. 8 notes. That thumb on D is very important as we go hands together here. It's very easy to fall into the trap of the fourth finger playing that D instead of popping the thumb to it instead. Okay, so watch out here. We got third fingers on E's together, thumb goes to D, then third fingers match up on B's together as well. So you can kind of think some bacon and eggs for this scale. The B and E's get the third fingers. One more time with half notes. On E's, here's our F sharp, back to 3's on E's, that tells us to move somewhere. The one finger in the left goes to D, 3's on B's, and we landed at the end of our scale. Here's quarter notes. Thumb on D here. Good work. Another time using quarter notes. Awesome. Now we're going to speed that up and do 8 notes for the hands. We'll do this 3 times in a row. Good work. Here we go again. 2, ready, and awesome. Last time through. Here we go. And great. And then we do have a bonus challenge here with 16th notes. Super fast. Awesome. Here we go. Last time. And yeah, fantastic work. Awesome job.